Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving 42nd problem, chess ratings, and it says Alice has recently started playing chess. Her current rating is X. She noticed that when she wins a game her rating increases by 8 points. Okay, can you help Alice in finding out the minimum number of games she needs to win in order to make her rating greater than or equals to Y? Okay, so the first line of input will contain an integer t, the number of test cases. So yeah, let's consider the test case. This will take care of all the test cases, and I'll be for each test case I'll be calling one function solve, whose type is return type is void and it does not have any parameter. And yeah, the first line of each test case contains two integer x and y describing the problem statement. So x is basically the current rating and y is the rating that Alice wants to achieve. So yeah, they've given four test cases. Let's take one by one. So 10 10. Let me take you to the board. So Alice's current rating, this is current rating in chess, and this is the rating she wants to achieve. Let me write here wants to achieve. So if you see here, her rating is 10, and which is also equals to y, whatever she wants to achieve, which is correct. She don't need to play, or she don't need to win any game, so that her rating will become y. So it is already x and y. So in this case, her answer is 0 because she don't need to win any game to make the rating y. So yeah, which is 0. Let's take this one, 10 17. So her rating is 10 and she wants to achieve rating of 17. So how many games you need to play? So if you see on the number line, so when her rating is 10 right now, if she wins, her rating will be increased by 8 points. So her rating will become 18. And right now if you see, x is less than y, but her rating, this x has to be greater than equals to y. uh, she wants to achieve this basically. So how do we do this? Let's say she wins one game. If she wins one game, her rating will be 18, and 18 is greater than equals to y. Y is basically 70, which is true. So in this case, she needs to win one game. One game she needs to win. Okay, yeah, this is the case. So she needs to win one game. Just let's take third example, 10 and 18. Her current rating is 8 and she wants to achieve 18, minimum of 18 scores. Again, in this case also, if you see, if she wins one game, so her rating will increase by 8 and her rating will be 18, and which is like she wants to achieve 18 rating. So 18 greater than equals to 18 is true, so she needs to win just one game. So let me take fourth example and explain you like how we will be solving. So in third case also one is the answer. Fourth example, so if you add 8 to this, our answer will be 26. So so basically if you think in this case, her rating is 10 and she wants to achieve a rating of 19. So if she wins one game, so her rating will be 18. So 18 greater than equals to 19 is false. So she need to win one more game. So if she wins one more game, so she will be winning two games, or her rating will be 26. Right, and 26 greater than equals to 19 is true. So in this case, she will be winning two games. So how do we solve this basically? So what we'll do is, whatever x and y value we have right now. So if you see, we'll take the difference x minus y, sorry, y minus x, because y is the rating that she wants to achieve and which will be higher or equals to x. So y minus x will give us 19 minus 10, which will give us 9. So this is the rating that she minimum rating that she requires to achieve y of rating, because if you see 10 is her rating, if she adds 9 to it, so her rating will be greater than or equals to y, so which is true. So how do we achieve this? Like 9 is the rating, and how many games you need to play? As we know, like if you try to play one game, you will be getting 8 points. So if you divide it by 8, this value y minus x, so this will give you 1. But clearly in this example, if you could see, like 2 games you need to win, but it is saying only 1. One more catch is that, so 8, one match she'll win, she'll be getting 8 points. So now her point x will be 10 plus 8, which is 18. And one more she need to, like one more point she need because she need to achieve 19 points. So 1 point is left. If you divide it by 8, so our answer will be 0. This is actually not correct. Like integer division, this is correct, but how do we find this? Again, modulo operator will do it. 1 modulo 8, if you do, this will give you 1. And if modulo operator is giving any value apart from 0, so in that case we'll have to increase one game. So basically here if you see 2 games you need to play. So yeah, like what we'll have to do is we'll have to take y minus x. This will give us 9. So 9 divided by 8, if you do, 1 game she need to play, and 9 modulo 8 if you do, again this answer is 1. Since it has a reminder, so in that case one more game she need to play to fulfill this condition, y greater than equals to x. I think you got what I was trying to say. Let's try to code it up. So here we need to find, let's say, int val, which will be y minus x, and our answer will be like how many games you need to win. Let's say win games. This will be val divided by 8. This many games you need to win, and if val modulo 8 has some value, so one more game you need to win. And at the end we'll have to output this win games. So let's start to run the code. We're getting 0 1 and 2 0 1 and 2. Let's start to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted, so it was an easy only problem. So yeah, I think you guys got how to solve this problem. So thank you guys for watching the video.